Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today is a Gadget Kids Takeover. You're going to see my two youngest kids in the kitchen doing their thing. They'll be using the Holstein Cupcake Maker and the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer Mini. They'll be making yummy cupcakes with homemade vanilla frosting. Here are the ingredients that they'll be using for the cupcakes. And then for the frosting, they'll be using salt, sugar, butter, vanilla, and cream.
Bailey, and this is
Jackie,
and today we are going to be making cake and frosting.
Yeah, what's frosting?
My cupcake gadget over there.
Over there, and over there to my gadget.
Okay, what kind of cupcakes are you making?
Vanilla.
I'm making.
And what kind of frosting are you making?
White.
And I want blue frosting.
Okay.
And I want blue frosting with sprinkles.
Okay.
The first step is to preheat the cupcake maker.
Let's go.
The next step is to make the cupcake batter.
And the cupcake batter is going to be good. Yummy.
We are going to put it in the cupcake maker.
Yeah, it's over here. It's over here.
My mom brushed a little bit of shortening so the cupcakes won't stick. The cupcakes are going to take 7 to 10 minutes, so let's make the frosting. So I'm going to put in the butter, and my little brother is going to pour in the cream, the salt, and the, what is the other? And
vanilla.
And the vanilla.
Because the cupcakes were hot, I removed them myself, but they were cooked perfectly and nice and golden brown on the bottom.
Now it's time to add in the powdered sugar.
Stop. That's enough. Hey, that's enough.
All the sugar has been added. Mix on high for 10 minutes.
After 10 minutes, the frosting has lightened in color and is light and fluffy. Here I'm just adding the frosting to a piping bag with a star tip.
Frost the cupcakes.
me help you a little bit, friend. Just a little bit more. How's that?
Yeah, looks better.
Just a little bit more, because I know you guys love frosting, right?
Right.
There we go. Now what's missing, guys? What's missing, Jackson?
Sprinkles.
All right. Go ahead, Jackson. Don't put the sprinkles in the... All right. Don't put the sprinkles in... Oh, my goodness. Pick up... Okay. All right. Okay. And we've got sprinkles. Good job. Here are the finished cupcakes with plenty of sprinkles.
Let's dig in.
Yay!
No, not that one. Get a cupcake. Get any cupcakes except that one.
No, not that one, silly.
Get that one. Mmm.
I can't pick up.
Just pick it up, boo-boo. Now take a big old bite. You're not even eating the cupcake. That's all frosting.
It's really good though.
So how is it? All right, Jackson, is it good? Did you have fun? All right, you gotta say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. And like my mommy says, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Hey foodies, so did you like this Gadget Kids takeover? If you did, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.